Problem number 12 from AV4 Lesson 4 starts with the volume of the sphere and asks you to work backwards to find the radius. The volume of the sphere is 972 pi, so we will erase the v and use 972 pi instead. We have 4/3. The radius we do not know, and here is pi. So we're going to start undoing, and of course we always undo when we're trying to find the variable by doing the order of operations backwards. There's nothing added to r, so we don't have to worry about that. We go to the next step. There's a couple things being multiplied to r. We've got 4/3, so we can undo 4/3 by multiplying by 3/4. Of course, we have to do that to both sides. Look what happens when we multiply by 3/4. 3 from the numerator goes into 3 once. 3 from the denominator goes into 3 once. 4 from the denominator goes into 4 once. 4 from the numerator goes into 4 once. And we're left with 1 times 1 divided by 1 times 1, which is just 1. So we now have, on this side, you're going to have to do some multiplying and dividing on this side. I think 4 probably go evenly into this number, but you'll have to try that. And you'll come up with some number on this side, on that left side. But you still have r cubed pi. So let's look at r. Is there anything being multiplied to r? And the answer is yes. So let's divide both sides by that. Ooh, love it when this happens. Pi goes into pi once, pi goes into pi once, pi goes into pi once, pi goes into pi once. We're left with whatever this number turns out to be equal to r cubed. Nothing is left that is multiplied to this r cubed. So now we can undo the exponent. And we'll undo the exponent by taking the cubed root. On your graphing calculator, you will type in math, you'll hit 4, and then you'll type in whatever you get for this number. Or, if you'd like to, you can use parentheses and type in 3 divided by 4. Make sure that you close the parentheses and then multiply by 972 and hit equals. They will both give you an answer, and you will put inches, because what you have just found is the radius, not the radius cubed, but the radius.